That's right, Sally. Add all the chocolate chips.
Mmm, smells good.
What do we add next?
Vanilla, the finishing touch. Doesn't it smell nice?
Mmm, sweet.
I think it's my favorite smell.
Mine is chocolate chip cookies. What's your favorite smell, Sally?
I don't know. Maybe some kind of flower?
There are lots of flowers in the backyard. Maybe one of those is your favorite.
Let's go find out.
Have fun, you two.
That smells nice, but it's not my favorite. Ugh!
What's that smell?
Don't you just love a good stinky cheese sandwich? I know I do.
The cat!
The cat in the hat!
You want to taste?
No thanks. It's too stinky.
Okie dokie.
We're trying to find Sally's favorite smell. Want to help?
I'd love to. Sniff and Seek is one of my favorite games. It always reminds me of Whiffy.
What's a whiffy?
It's not a what, it's a who. Whiffy is a friend of mine. He knows a lot about smells.
Hey, if he knows about smells, maybe he can help Sally find her favorite smell.
Well, he is the best smell maker in Smelly-Ga-Whiff Forest.
Great! Can we meet him?
Of course! Your mother will not mind at all if you do.
Mom, can we go to Smelly-Ga-Whiff Forest to find my favorite smell?
Smelly-Ga-Whiffed? Sure, honey. I can't wait to smell what you come up with.
Thanks!
We can go! We can go!
I know! To the thingamajigger!
I'm afraid I won't be of much help, kids. This cold has me sneezing my scales off. Oh, I can't smell a thing.
Don't worry, Fish. We'll do all the sniffing on this trip. Are you ready?
Yes, we are!
Are you steady?
Yes, we are!
Are you sure you're ready to explore?
Yes, we are!
Then buckle up! Flick the jigger, my wizard! Isn't this fun? There's Smelly-Ga-Whiff Forest. You'll be meeting Whiffy in a jiffy. Whiffy! Oh, Whiffy! Whiffy!
Cat, is that you?
Ah, look out!
A skunk!
Whoa!
That's a funny way to say hello.
I mean, that's all right. I know what people think about skunks. It's okay. I don't smell bad.
You don't?
Well, not right now. I only make a stink when I have good reason to.
Sorry about that. I'm Nick.
And I'm Sally. Nice to meet you.
Likewise. So, what brings you all to Smelly-Ga-Whiff?
We're playing Smell and Seek.
I'm trying to find out what my favorite smell is.
Kat says you know a lot about smells.
Oh, well, I know a lot about making them. And I know where to find all kinds of other smells, too. Can I show you around?
Okay, thanks.
Fish, do you want to come?
No, you go on ahead. I've heard chicken soup helps the cold, so I'm going to give it a try.
Oh, I hope you feel better soon, Fish. Let's go. Now, this log has a great smell. Have a sniff.
All I smell is stinky wet leaves.
You like that smell, Whiffy?
Love it. I used to live in this rotten log. Oh, the memories. Oh, and over there is my very favorite smelling plant. Skunk cabbage.
It smells like something went rotten in the fridge.
I know. Don't you just love it?
It's awful. Why does it smell so bad?
It smells stinky so that big animals don't bother it. That's smell helps to keep it safe.
Ha-ha, so the bad smell is useful.
Exactly. So, now do you like it?
No.
Oh. Oh, okay, I get it. You don't like stinky smells.
I do. I like stinky cheese.
But I like pretty smells. Ones that make you want to come close and smell them again.
Well, those are okay too, I guess.
Hey, Sally, I smell something nice. I think it's over there.
Let's go see. Oh, I mean, smell.
I know what you're smelling. Come on. Ta-da!
Bushes?
Blueberry bushes. Have a sniff.
They smell so sweet, like blueberry jam.
Or blueberry pie. Or blueberry muffins.
You know what? I think this is my favorite smell.
You mean we did it? We found your favorite smell?
Yes.
High five!
Yeah!
Smellerific! I just knew you'd be good at smell and seek.
Let's pick some blueberries for my mom.
Okay.
Blueberry picking is bushels of fun, especially with help from Thing 2 and Thing 1. The last one to fill his pail is a big stinker.
Nick!
I can't help it. These blueberries taste great.
And they smell even better than a stinky cheese sandwich.
Whoa! Watch out!
Oh no! Our berries!
Don't make me look.
What's going on?
Sorry, Buster. We were picking blueberries and things got a little out of hand.
Blueberries? I guess it is snack time.
I wish we could share, but there's only one pail left, and my friends need them. Sorry, Buster.
Huh? But I'm hungry. Nobody says no to Buster Bear.
I do.
Whiffy, I guess you didn't notice, but bears are a lot bigger than skunks.
Which is why us skunks have a way to protect ourselves. Remember when I said I only make a stink when I have a good reason to?
Why, yes.
Well, he's a good reason. I'll give you a 10-second head start.
To the thingamajigger!
Hey! Come back with those!
Let them go, Buster. I have a smell, and I'm not afraid to use it.
Hey, guess what? My cold is getting better. I can smell again.
Great news, fish. Sort of.
What do you mean, sort of?
You wouldn't spray me.
Oh, no? Sorry, Buster. I warned you.
Get me out of here!
What in the world is that smell?
It's Whiffy. He smells worse than the skunk cabbage.
At least it got rid of Buster.
Just like the skunk cabbage smell got rid of us.
I guess Whiffy was right. A stinky smell is useful. The smell of a rose may thrill your nose much more than a skunky spray. But a skunk's bad smell can be just swell for chasing a pest away.
Goodbye.
Thanks, Whiffy.
See ya. Happy sniffing.
Mom, we did it. We found my favorite smell.
Wild blueberries? Good choice. Maybe later we can make a blueberry pie?
Yummy. That sounds great. But, I'm kind of hungry now.
Then it's a good thing I have a snack for you. Nick, I'll bet you can smell what it is. Close your eyes.
Chocolate chip cookies! Yippee!
Fresh from the oven. Here, help yourself.
Smell-erific! Yummy!
These are so good.
Today, I have a really tough question about a snake. What part of a snake's body helps it smell things like this smelly perfume? Excuse me?
Smells good.
Well, do you know what part of a snake's body it uses to smell things? Did I hear some of you say tongue? That's right! You got it this time, but next time I'll stump you for sure.